What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing an oil change on the car. So this is the first time that I've ever, good job. This is the first time I've ever done an oil change on any car. So I don't know how this is gonna go, but it should be fun and interesting and a good learning experience. So let's get this started. Don't drop out of the car. Whoa. All good? I think we're good. What the hell is this? What? So unfortunately my camera died and now we are going to use my phone camera. Here it is. So based off everything, all the research I've done, oil filter, oil cap, remove the oil filter, wipe it down, and then we're gonna drain the oil under the car. And then I think it's really simple. Pour the oil in here, replace the new oil with the new oil filter, and then we should be good. All right, boys? Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Nasty. I'm just gonna let this like over so nothing like falls into it. Right? That's smart, right? Okay. I swear I'm not weak, bro. Careful, don't make it go everywhere. Oh yeah, you're right. Dude, what the f are we? What? You got it? No! This one's too big! Try this one! How do I take this off? Dude, what the? Yeah. Damn, I should be the casting couch. Oh my god, your sweatshirt's so dirty. It's okay. There we go. Oh, you got it? I think so. Oh, you said this? Okay. Oh, here it comes. Oh,
we totally missed that.
It is warm.
I think we missed it.
Right here. My god.
Those ones are fuck. These ones are hot.
Yeah, these ones. I thought her daughter died. Not her.
That's what Hal told me. Hal told me she was dead.
We good? Oh. Give me the thing. Give me the towel, Gary. Okay. I think it's no. Nope. Okay. There we go. Okay. What's up? Okay.
Can we stop it?
You don't have the, what is that thing called? You don't have the undercard to go under, bro. You just penny board, man. Okay.
Dude, right. It's literally the same thing.
No, this is a little bigger.
Dude, it's barely bigger. It's literally the for the car, dude. It's not gonna break it.
Hey, I just want to make sure, dude.
We would have bonded it if it wasn't for the car. This one's just taller.
Screwed on really tight. Funnel. What? We should have just got through it with it.
That's okay. Hold the phone.
Okay. Fresh oil.
Pretty cold.
I'm an idiot.
Don't go that fast, bro. Let it sit. Let it go slow.
There's a stick. So the full mark is over there. No, not even close. How's the exhaust still not here yet, dude? It says by the end of the day. The day's supposed to be over. There we go. It's full. Full? Yep. Okay. Okay. You know what's weird? So, you know how like my old car, the Honda Civic, you like, it tells you like when you need an oil change or whatever? Yeah, this one doesn't tell you. I don't know. Let me know if you guys like have, like, if I'm just stupid, but like, I don't know, like, usually a car tells you when it's like time for like a maintenance change, maintenance whatever, like visit whatever, right? But like,
Doesn't have like check engine light on?
no check engine light, no.